Hey, what's up, kawayan? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel, we talk about lifestyle, sneaker related stuff. And today, we're gonna do a special unboxing. And this box was coming from Adidas, and it's been a while that I had to post that one to unbox it. But before that, would like to discuss you regarding the launch of the Jordan 4 Lightning, which is one of the terrible launching of reservation on Flex app. Unfortunately, JD Sport and Finish Line, they didn't do the online raffle. So but then again, they did an in-store raffle. So I went to the one that close to my area, discussing the foot site Flex app. So we're gonna start with 5:55 in the afternoon. So in my screenshot right here, it shows that I'm already a winner. It says winner launch reservation. You have 60 minutes to confirm you want the item. So yun, it is already confirmation that I already won, and one of my size, which is 10.5. And look at my screen cap, which is 522. And this time is during this time I was at work, and then I'll show you another screenshot. 6:53, and as you can see, it says launch reservation paused. It's 6:53 p.m. So how many? It's almost one hour almost. And it says, due to technical difficulties, this event is being paused. This delay will not affect your ability to reserve this item, and you will alerted once the event resumes. So it's been like more than how many hours when they did to confirm the reservation. I thought this shoe is just gonna be just a regular shoe that might gonna take 1 hour, 2 hour max, and to my surprise, it was kind of hard them to um, load up on the app, and it's hard to confirm the reservation. So um, I'm kind of frustrated, my disappointment with the app, because they've been doing this, and nothing isn't been improved. And man, gladly, and and due to that, I missed out. So as you can see right here, during from 5:30 or 5:22 to 6:53, I still don't have my confirmation. I still can't confirm my reservation, and all the way to 9:19 in the evening that I could confirm my reservation, which is 10.5. So right there, wow, almost 4 hours to confirm the reservation. That is so hard and kind of frustrated and everything. So gladly, even though the release of the reservation or confirm the reservation, it doesn't like very smooth. I didn't miss out on men's. I didn't miss out on grade school. I only missed out on one toddler, which is 3Y. So no big deal on that one, but still money if I could pick them up. But hey, I think how many pairs that we won on the Jordan 4 Lightning? Well, I'm gonna update you on that on the next day when we're gonna pick up the Jordan 4 Lightning. So I'm so excited to have them in hand, and also excited that I have them for personal. Yep. Alright, so with that said, okay, let's do the unboxing. So we got some Yeezy, and this one is the one that we won on the Yeezy day. Let's pop that open. the extra lace. Okay. The Yeezy 700 V3, I got the 6.5. Color is dark glow. Oh, this one is the dark glow. I like the color of black with kind of a little bit ashy thing. The design, I'm not really mad at all. Retail on this one is 200 and the tax is $12. So it came down to $212. Okay, so here we go. It says here on the stock X on 6.5, last sale is 275. So as you can see there, let's glow in the dark. 275 for this one. 200 retail plus tax is 212. Their fees and everything, it should be 246. That's kind of a little bit low. So what do you think about this Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 dark glow in the dark? Alright, so there we go. Alright, so and that's it for today. I hope you like this video. So with that said, check you out the next morning to pick up the Jordan 4 Lightning. So with that said, thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.